Slogans on National Unity Day. Unity despite diversity is the reason behind our prosperity. Together as one, we can achieve the impossible. Unity is power and gives strength. Unity removes fear and gives strength to face problems. Strong when united, weak when divided. There is a lot of strength in unity. It is the solution to every problem of the nation. Unity in diversity is our identity. Unity is a strength in itself. Don't underestimate it. Unity symbolizes that one for all for one. Unity has the power of light which can illuminate the darkness of the whole earth. Hope you find the video useful. If you do, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more latest videos. Thanks for watching.